First things first, would you like a beer? Good luck with that, you won't find any here. What not, a drop, maybe some wine? You can stick that where the sun don't shine. In all the Medinas you'll be hard pressed to find a bar or a restaurant with a happy hour sign. Let us keep on with our food group song. Sweet treats are naughty but incredibly nice, and in an abundance in Medina life. Roll up, mind the donkey cart. Here we have yummy, chewy, nutty nougat. It can be mixed with pistachio or honey. Please make sure they don't charge too much money. There are also beautiful pastries galore with baklava, briwa and so many more. Moving down the pyramid, it's time for some tea. Mint and water they pour so precisely. With every meal, it's very commonplace. It helps you relax when there's dust in your face. Juice is incredibly plentiful. You can find it on nearly every other stall. We enjoy our fruits and it goes to show. During our time in Morocco, our favourite was always avocado mango. After the mains at the end of the meal, a platter's brought out. I hope you can peel. Now we get to the staples, of which we would say there are two. Bread and more bread, plenty for me and for you. And him and her and him. A disc per person, give that frisbee a fling. You can't see how you feel with every single meal. Bread will be the key, you'll be too full to flee. But dry bread sounds boring, I hear you sing. Don't worry, I have just the thing. A healthy, veggie, tasty tagine. Some are to share, whilst others just for you. They have a similar base with a carrot or two. Don't forget the garlic in this African stew. Parsnips, prunes and potatoes come next. Make this at home for a date night flex. There doesn't have to be meat or fish for that matter, but bring on the eggs and let's get a bit fatter. That being said, tagines are very healthy. Eating well in Morocco, you don't need to be wealthy. So there you have it. The pyramid in all of its glory. These are the foods of our Moroccan story.